Kaka nyalo yudo Jood bura kwedo wach manogol kod jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba ni atamalo 96 mag jopuonjre osedonjo sikunde mag senior. Jood bura go mane lose kinde romo mar jood bura ma Bagi Naivasha bende wuok tung mosuo kod jatend migawo no ewi kaka chenro mar rwako jopuonjre sikunde mag senior dhi nyime, gino magiwacho ni onjaore mokalo. Simfros Okinda nigi ler mar wachni.
En romo manokelo kanyachiel jood bura, jotend migepe kod jotelo mamoko mag sirikal mano Bagi magawa more boma Naivasha kama sirikal temo nono chenro mopogore opogore madhi nyime migepe mopogore pachoka. E kinde twak makamano jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba nolero ni chenro mar kepo mag jopuonjre senior school dhi nyime maber kendo mana atamalo 4 kende mar jopuonjre mapok odonjo skunde.
Because we have 100% transition policy in government, there were 8% that are not reported for one reason or another, including issues relating to school fees and uniforms. Yesterday at noon, we had done 96% of the placements, with the intention to move to 100% by the end of this week.
Gikanye mene jood bura kwanye ka gipenjore kaka migawo no nochope kwan makamano, kaluwore ni mano ok kaka chal gwenge kama giwuoke.
We're looking at the numbers there, they're not at 86%. So we need to push, we need to keep pushing, we need to ask our chief, sub-chief, the village elders, let's every kid go to school. And I would like the parents of this country to take the president's word for it. Send their kids to school, whether they have shoes or uniform.
If you're already saying you do not know where these children went, you are waiting for the statistics. So how did you get the statistics which you're now giving us at 96%? This is populism. Just being popular, trying to show that we are doing something, but we are just guessing.
Wasikae kwa ofisi kusema ati implementation iko 96%, hakuna. Hata sincerely speaking haijafika 45%. Many children are at home.
We are the ones from the constituencies, and I can say if the score best is at 70, we still have a number of students outside who are still looking for space, who are still looking for fee, who are still looking for support to go to school.
Jood bura go ochayo kaka migawo mar somo tayo chenro mag somo e pachoka kama oting'o omenda miore skunde kod chenro mitiyo godo e chenro mar rwako jopuonjre skunde mag senior.
We're getting very varied figures about how much it costs to it costs to put a learner through ECD, primary education, secondary education and university. And we were not up with the minister telling us that he doesn't know and that no one has ever done that analysis. So on what basis are we budgeting for our learners?
The books distribution is at around 58%. Surely that is a very low percentage for a program that we've been aware is coming for the last 9 or so years. So if you say money was sent and the child was not in school, by last week they were talking about 800,000 of these children not being in school. So where did you know this child was going for the capitation to be there before the child? There are so many questions. I think they are playing too much in front of the camera.
Jood bura mar kaunti Manyeri Rahab Mukami korka kore onyiso migawo no mondo nyuand basaris duto mag sirikal mar mondo mi olos agulu achiel mar siro somb jopuonjre.
Now the government, I think basari yote ya women rep, ya MPs, ya governor, hiyo pesa yote iletwe pamoja, watoto ipelekwe Ministry of Education, tuwe na free education because majority of the children are suffering at home.
Kato bedo ni achiedh nade makoni kod kocho kwa sekta mar somo, migos lero ni chak dwe manyien somo mar skunde mag senior biro chakore ayanga tok tieko chenro mar rwako jopuonjre kaachiel kod yudo buge mag somo. Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.